The Patek Philippe 5175, our Grandmaster chime, is one of the most intricate and prestigious timepieces ever created. Introduced in 2014 to celebrate Patek Philippe's 175th anniversary, it features 20 complications and is renowned for its craftsmanship and complexity. The Grandmaster chime includes a grande and petite sonnerie, minute repeater, alarm with time strike, and a date repeater, among others. The watch's movement consists of 1,366 parts, making it one of the most complex ever made. The double-faced case is made of rose gold and is fully reversible, allowing the wearer to switch between two dials. The 5175R is assembled entirely by hand, ensuring that each component is carefully placed and secured with the utmost care. The 5175R is adorned with exquisite decorative finishes, including hand engraving, galoche work, and gem setting. These intricate details are added during the assembly process. The assembly of the Grandmaster chime is a meticulous and time-consuming process, reflecting the high standards of Patek Philippe. The design phase involves extensive planning and prototyping to ensure that all components fit perfectly and function seamlessly together. Each of the 1,366 parts is individually crafted, often requiring hundreds of hours of work. This includes everything from the tiny gears and springs to the intricate dials and hands. Skilled watchmakers assemble the movement by hand, a process that can take several months. Each component is carefully placed and adjusted to ensure precision. The assembly includes the integration of the complications, which requires exceptional expertise and attention to detail. The case and movement are hand-engraved with intricate patterns, a process that adds to the watch's aesthetic appeal and uniqueness. Finishing touches, such as polishing and decorating the movement, are done to enhance the watch's visual and functional qualities. Each Grandmaster chime undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Patek Philippe's exacting standards. This includes testing the accuracy of the movement, the functionality of the complications, and the durability of the case. The development of the Patek Philippe 5175, our Grandmaster chime, was an extraordinary undertaking, marked by several significant challenges, incorporating 20 complications, including new ones like the date repeater and the alarm with time strike, posed a significant challenge. Each complication had to be meticulously designed and integrated without compromising the watch's functionality. The entire project took approximately 8 years to complete, with over 100,000 hours dedicated to development, production, and assembly. This long timeline reflects the complexity and the meticulous attention to detail required at every stage. Creating a double-faced case that could be easily reversed while maintaining water resistance and durability was a significant engineering challenge. Developing the unique acoustic functions, such as the minute repeater strike sequence used for the alarm and date indication, required innovative solutions and precise craftsmanship. Despite the high level of automation in modern watchmaking, the Grandmaster chime required extensive hand assembly by master watchmakers. This process was incredibly time-consuming and demanded unparalleled skill. The intricate hand engraving and finishing of both the movement and the case added another layer of complexity. These challenges highlight the remarkable effort and expertise that went into creating the Grandmaster chime, making it a true masterpiece of horological engineering. The Lamborghini Urus, the brand's first SUV, is produced in a state-of-the-art facility in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. The production line is a marvel of modern engineering, combining advanced technology with meticulous craftsmanship. The Lamborghini Urus is a high-performance luxury SUV that has made a significant impact since its introduction in 2018. It's known for its powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, which produces 650 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 305 km per hour. The production of the Lamborghini Urus takes place at the company's headquarters in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. The facility, known as Manufactura Lamborghini, was expanded and modernized specifically for the Urus, doubling its surface area to 160,000 square meters. This expansion was part of Lamborghini's adoption of the Factory 4.0 model, which integrates advanced production technologies to enhance efficiency and support the workforce. While many modern car manufacturing processes rely heavily on automation, the Urus assembly line still incorporates significant human involvement. Skilled artisans meticulously assemble each vehicle, ensuring that every detail meets Lamborghini's exacting standards. The Urus production line utilizes cutting-edge technology to enhance efficiency and quality. Robots and automated systems assist in various tasks, such as welding, painting, and assembly, while advanced quality control systems monitor every stage of the process. The Urus offers a wide range of customization options, allowing customers to personalize their vehicles. The production line is designed to accommodate these variations, ensuring that each vehicle is built to the exact specifications of its owner. Lamborghini is committed to sustainability, and the Urus production line reflects this commitment. The facility incorporates eco-friendly practices, such as energy-efficient equipment and waste reduction initiatives. The facility has implemented measures to reduce CO2 emissions by 85%, making the production process more environmentally friendly. The Urus body is constructed from lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel. Automated welding machines join the various components together with precision. The painted body is subjected to a rigorous quality control process to ensure a flawless finish. The engine, transmission, and other components are assembled into the body. Skilled technicians carefully connect wiring harnesses and install interior trim. Each Urus undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure its performance, safety, and reliability. These tests may include road trials, track testing, and simulations of various driving conditions. The Lamborghini Urus production line is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. By combining advanced technology with traditional craftsmanship, Lamborghini delivers a vehicle that is both a technological marvel and a work of art.